everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on line of sight analysis will provide you with the steps to create a visual indication of whether specific locations in the 3D world can be seen from a selected point. The tool displays a visual marker for the existence of the line of sight from a single observer position to multiple positions in the world. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the line of sight tool can be accessed. To access the line of sight tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the line of sight group, click on Line of Sight. The line of sight analysis property sheet is displayed. To create a line of sight, in the property sheet, enter the following parameters. In the Analysis section, in the Sampling Interval field, enter the desired value for the sample resolution of your measurement. This value represents the distance between trained samples for the measurement along each line. Next, in the Observer section, in the Height field, enter the desired value for the altitude of the observer. I want to make a note that the X and Y observer position fields in the Observer section are derived from the point you selected in the 3D window. They only become enabled after you place the observer point, so you can modify the values as required in the property sheet. And finally, the Target section, in the Height field, enter the desired value for the altitude of the target's point or points. Once you have set the necessary parameters, click the cursor to define your viewpoint for the observer. Click the 3D window to place the target points. You must place at least one point. Right-click to finish the operation. At this point, SIMmetry begins to calculate the line of sight. This process might take a few seconds to minutes. Once the line of sight analysis has been completed, you can enter the parameters and recalculate or close the property sheet. Once completed, a single line or a group of lines marked on the terrain appear between viewpoints and the endpoint. Target points are visible from the observer viewpoint are colored green, whereas points that are not visible from the observer point are colored red. We went over how to perform line of sight analysis in your project. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.